How to transfer DOGE from Binance to Binance using the phone number. Now, first of all, make sure you log into your account. Now go to your profile icon. Now click on assets. And now from here, click on spot. And now, as you can see, click on this withdraw. Now from here, as you can see, you have to search for coin or to withdraw. Now from here, you can now go to and click on the Binance user. And now here, search for the coin. Will be here DOGE, as you can see. Now from here, select the Binance users and now select the phone. Now from here, type the phone number that you want. And now after that, after you enter it, make sure this number exists in the other Binance account. And after that, the withdrawal amount, it will be released here. Now, if you are ready to go, now here, as you can see, they're available. Now 24-hour remaining limit. And now click on send and you will be transfer DOGE from Binance to Binance using phone number. So this is how to transfer DOGE from Binance to Binance using phone number. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.